How to fix Facebook Marketplace not showing up. If your Facebook Marketplace is not showing up, we cannot buy or sell anything. This usually happens due to account location or app issues, so let's fix it step by step. So first of all, we can just go and check our location. We need to head over to Facebook and go to the menu at the top right and go to our settings by tapping on the gear icon. And within our gear icon, what we need to do is find the option for location, usually, and ensure that the location for your Facebook account is supported because it is not available for each and every reason yet. And also update our Facebook application to the latest version. For that, we need to head over to Play Store. And within here, go to the search and search for Facebook here. So find Facebook. And once we find Facebook, we need to update this application to the latest version, and that should also probably help us out. If not this, we can log out of Facebook and log in back in. So open up Facebook, and within here, or look out for this menu at the top, and scroll down, find the option for log out, and log back in again once you close the app completely. And we may also clear out the cache of the application. For that, we need to close this app and go over and hold this app and go to the info. And within there, scroll and find the option for storage. And look out for the option for clear cache and clear out the cache for your Facebook application. And sometimes reinstalling the Facebook application should also help. So hold it up and look out for the uninstall or disable option, and again enable it or reinstall it from the official store, and that should also work out. If our account has violated rules, Marketplace may be disabled, so you can just go and check out your restrictions as well. And that's it. These steps should bring the Facebook Marketplace back. We may follow out for more quick tutorials, but this is how you do it. Ensure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.